In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an organization in Zoho CRM. If you no longer need your Zoho CRM organization and want to remove it completely, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to pay close attention because closing an organization is a permanent action in most cases. Before you begin, make sure you've backed up any important records, contacts, deals, reports, or other data you may want to keep later. Start by opening your Zoho CRM account and signing in as you normally would. Once you're inside the account, look toward your profile area. This is usually located in the upper part of the screen. Click on your profile and from the menu that appears, select My Account. This section takes you to the account level settings, where you can manage more than just your day-to-day CRM activity. After you enter the My Account area, find and click Settings. This is where Zoho groups together the main account management options. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct account and organization before moving forward, especially if you have access to more than one. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Close Account. Click on that option to continue. At this stage, Zoho may show a warning or confirmation message explaining what will happen when the account or organization is closed. Read this information carefully so you understand the impact. In many cases, this means losing access to the organization and its stored data, so it's worth pausing for a final review before confirming anything. When you're ready, click Close Organization. This is the final action that submits your request to delete the Zoho CRM organization. Depending on your account type or Zoho's current interface, you may be asked to confirm the decision one more time. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen prompt to complete the process. Once finished, your organization will be scheduled for closure or deleted based on Zoho CRM's account policies. If something doesn't look exactly the same on your screen, don't worry. Interface labels and layouts can change slightly over time, but the general path remains the same. Profile, My Account, Settings, Close Account, and then Close Organization. And that's how to delete an organization in Zoho CRM. Just make sure you only do this when you're absolutely certain, since this action may not be easy to reverse.